I'm making homemade chocolate chip cookies. I'm gonna time myself. I think this only takes about 5 minutes to mix up. My butter is frozen solid, so I'm gonna start by softening it in the microwave on defrost at 50% for about 20 seconds. And I don't know why I was leaving the package on there. Okay, maybe this video will take longer because, you know, this is one of those days, guys, one of those days. Trying to get all my Christmas decorations going downstairs and put up. Okay, there we go. All right, my microwave didn't do very good at softening my butter on defrost. Okay, so I'm gonna defrost it just a bit more. Okay, there it's semi-melted, not just softened, but that's okay. All right, got my butter in here and my sugar. Now, if your sugar's all clumpy, don't be afraid to use it. You know, in the olden days, they used to ship sugar in cones, and so they would scrape it off because it was easier to transport. That was before they had plastic and all that good stuff. And all it'll do is just break up. That brown sugar is a little harder to break up, but that's okay. Now, always pack your brown sugar. I just pack it here in the package. See, I just push it down and put it in, and then sneak a little taste because brown sugar is good. Okay, I'm going to get these all creamed together. Oh my goodness, raw cookie dough is the best. Yum, yum, yum. This recipe is in my Dining on a Dime cookbook, volume 1, on page 356. You can take a picture now or take a picture of the QR code and go to my website livingonadime.com, and the link is in the description below. So here's a little trick. I tear the top off of my egg carton so that when I go to get my eggs, I'm not having to open the top every time I need to get an egg. I can just get in, grab my eggs, and get out. Got my vanilla and my eggs. Oops, I'm supposed to do my eggs one at a time. I forgot. Okay, and then my salt and my baking soda dissolved in hot water. Okay, mix all that around. Then my flour, and then my chocolate chips. Now you can do regular chocolate chips, but I've got a half a bag of regular chocolate chips and a half a bag of dark, and I'm going to combine both of those. Oh, yum. There we go. That was 5 minutes exactly. Chocolate chips, I'm gonna put them on parchment just for easy cleanup. Going to measure with my cookie scoop. Okay, we're gonna put this in the oven and let them bake. Oh my goodness, these smell so good. Okay, I am not a food stylist. If I was, I would put chocolate chips on top. I was not thinking, but here they are. These went actually about 12 minutes. Just watch your oven. I'm gonna let them finish cooling on the baking sheet, and then I'm going to put the next batch in. Hopefully I can get a thumbnail before my sons start ripping into them. Okay. All right, they have cooled. Oh, yum. Now, I don't know if this is gonna work for food styling. I don't do food styling. I just do food making, but we're gonna give this a try and see if it will give me something more whippy for thumbnails. I don't know. Okay, put these all in, then I'm gonna throw it in the oven. Can I get a testimonial on the cookies?
I'll have to try another one. Jack, can you grab me another one, please?
Pretty good.
Another whole one?
The first one was pretty delicious, but I'm gonna have to try another one just to make sure.
How many has Dave had? 2?
2.
How many's Jack had?
1, but I'm going back for more.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, tell me how that one tastes, dear. Delicious?
Just an explosion of flavor. Yum.
Yes, it is
Delicious.
January. Don't judge me for keeping up my Christmas decorations till the middle of January.